Hi, it's Richard here from Data8. Welcome to our demonstration of Data8Online, our online data cleansing tool. To get to this page, we need to hit on the dashboard, then we need to hit the data cleansing tab and move on to submit a file. We can submit any type of file to Data8Online, for example a CSV file, a tab delimited file, or an Excel file. Simply hit select file, choose the file from your hard drive, click open, and we'll upload this file to Data8Online for processing. First thing we need to choose now is confirm the file type. We will normally auto detect this. You can change it in this list if it hasn't correctly identified it. You need to tell us whether there is a header line or not by using that checkbox, and then move on to the next page. The map columns screen is a screen where we need to understand from you where your key data in your data file is. For example, the name, address, telephone number, and fields like that. It's important to specify the data type. Is it a business file or a residential file, or do you want both? Our system automatically detects the columns in your data based on your column values or the column headers, should you be using any. It's a good idea to review all of these, having a look at them all and check that they've all been done as expected and they are right. If any need changing, then it's a simple job of using the drop-down list box to change them. For example, in this first name one, we can change it from first name to ignore to tell the system that we don't need that value to be processed. However, in this case, it was correctly identified, so I'll move it back again. Another thing worthwhile checking is that all the address lines are in the right order. So we could say that maybe address lines 4 and 5 are the wrong way round, and using these drop downs we could change them to move them to address 5 then 4. However, again, in this case they were correct, so I'm just going to move them back again. Once all of your modifications are done and you're happy that everything is good, you can click next to move on to the advanced options screen. The options page allows us to configure various options that we might want to do with the job. Most commonly, this is simply to turn options off that you don't want to process. For instance, if we are doing a mailing file, we might not want to do residency verification or profiling at all, and we can just turn them off to save time on the job. We can also configure some options. So for example, in deceased, we might turn off mortar screen as one of the data sources in this job. Once we've done that, hit next. Last thing to do is simply to choose a name for our job and specify who receives the audit, hit finish, and then we'll wait for the job to process. Thanks for watching. Look out for more videos on data cleansing. To contact us, please find details of our website. Keep safe.